From Interior Alaska's most trusted news source, this is your morning news update with J.R. Lewis.
Good morning and thanks for joining us. It's Tuesday, June 18th, 2013. And in a news release issued early yesterday morning, Alaska Lieutenant Governor Mead Treadwell has made it official. He will not seek re-election as the state's second in command, opting instead to make a run for the U.S. Senate seat currently held by Democrat Mark Begich. Treadwell spoke to News Center 11 last February about his plans. He says the country is in a state that he calls unacceptable and wants his energy focused there. Treadwell's announcement sets up an interesting race for Begich's seat. Treadwell must first win the Republican primary against Tea Party favorite and former 2010 U.S. senatorial candidate Joe Miller. This is a developing story, and News Center 11 will have more this evening. A Fairbanks senator plans to introduce legislation that would keep the names of those who sign initiatives and referenda private. Republican Senator Pete Kelly, in a release, says a goal of his proposal is to reduce the ease with which individuals can sell fresh lists of Alaskan voter names and identifiers for nefarious purposes. The State Division of Elections currently considers the signatures on petitions as private information, though Director Gail Fanumii says that doesn't include information protected by law, such as Social Security numbers and dates of birth. Quick look at the Fairbanks weather. Red flag warnings continue across much of the interior as humidity continues to drop below 13% during the day. Record high temperatures are possible through Thursday. Fairbanks forecast today, sunny, highs in the mid to upper 80s, gusty winds possible in the afternoon. Tonight, mostly clear with lows in the mid to upper 50s, and tomorrow sunny again, highs in the mid 80s to lower 90s. As for the extended outlook, maybe a little heat relief as clouds and possibly thunderstorms move in Thursday night through the weekend. Highs might level out at about 80. And that's all we have for right now. Glad you could join us. Rest of the News Center team will be here tonight at 6, bringing you the Fairbanks Evening News on KTVF Channel 11. From all of us here at News Center 11, I'm J.R. Lewis. Thanks for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.